Hey guys! So in this video, medyo magkikwento lang muna ako sa inyo. No? Nung bata kasi ako, I never really considered myself as merong itsura. I feel so ugly and pagtaba-taba ako kasi talaga noon. Umabot ako ng 90 kilograms and my waistline was 42. Hirap na hirap akong magdamit noon and bihira kang makakita ng pantalon noon na 42 yung waistline. So, talagang mahirap. And after graduating nung elementary, doon ko na-realize na kailangan kong mag-change or gumawa ng something, mag-effort para magkaroon ng change kasi I was 12 years old and I'm 90 kilograms, diba? So, I started drinking black tea every day, 3 to 5 times a day yan. And every day talaga kasi sabi nila nakakabilis daw yun ng metabolism. And of course, I watched what I eat, dahan-dahan gradually. Nagbawas ako ng pagkain and I also started walking for about 2 hours per day. Araw-araw talaga yan, naglalakad-lakad ako. And nag-pay off naman yon after mga 2 years. By the time na magka-third year high school na ako is slim na ako. And by the time na graduate ako ng high school, I was already 29 na lang yung waistline ko. And nung college years naman, doon ako nag-start ng YouTube channel ko. And mostly, yung mga ginagawa kong videos noon ay short horror films. Yun yung track na gusto kong tahakin kasi I wanted to be a film director sana. Pero syempre not all our dreams come true. Nagkakaroon tayo ng parang ibang path na tinatahak. And nag-start na rin ako mag-take ng mga supplements nung college years. Ang pinaka nagustuhan ko nun is yung vitamin C ng Puritan's Pride, tsaka yung NAC or yung NAC nila. Hindi pa kasi uso yung glutathione that time. Although may mga glutathione na rin nun, kaya lang sobrang mahal. Nasa 2,500 or 3,000 ata ang gluta nun, good for 1 month. And hindi ka pa sure kung effective or kung authentic. Kasi ang daming fake that time. So anyway, Puritan's Pride nga yung tinitake ko, tsaka na vitamin C and NAC. Yung NAC kasi nakakapag-help daw para yung body natin is mag-produce ng glutathione. So anyway, ano ba connect nito? Kasi di ba yung tinataka nga ng YouTube channel ko that time is for short films, ganyan. So sabi ko, why not make a video na i-share ko kung ano yung supplements na tinitake ko para ma-whiten yung skin. So yun, I decided to make a video. And little did I know, yun na pala yung maglo-launch ng YouTube career ko. Kasi after that video, grabe, as of this day na nagbibideo ko nito, nasa 400,000 plus views na siya. And doon ako nakilala, doon nag-start na dumating yung mga sponsors, tapos nakikilala na ako ng mga tao, ina-add ako sa Facebook. So, yun talaga yung parang kino-consider ko na nag-launch ng career ko, yung video na yon kung saan shinare ko yung supplements na aking tinitake, which is yung vitamin C nga ng Puritan's Pride, tsaka yung NAC nila. The vitamin C, this is Puritan's Pride. It's 1,000 milligrams. Because according to the article I read, you should take at least 1,000 to 3,000 milligrams of vitamin C every day to have whiter skin. Puritan's Pride NAC. What this does, I'm sorry, I'm sweating. What this does is it tells your body to produce glutathione. And during that time, even my mom, gustong-gusto niya yung vitamin C ng Puritan's Pride kasi talagang nakaka-boost siya ng immune system kasi may time na parang feeling niya magkakasakit siya. And trinayin niya yon kasi nakita niya tinitake ko. Tapos sabi niya, parang after a few hours lang, okay na yung pakiramdam niya, hindi na tumuloy yung sakit niya. Kaya sabi niya, sobrang ganda naman ito. Kaya lang, sobrang hirap pa humanap that time ng authentic or kung saan ka man makakabili ng Puritan's Pride na supplements. I remember sa sulit.com.ph ko pa yan nabili sa isang seller doon. Tapos after a few months, hindi ko na alam kung nagbibenta pa siya. So, medyo naghiwalay yung landas namin ni Puritan's Pride. Nag-decide ako na mag-take ng other glutathiones na and yung vitamin C generic na lang. And alam niyo naman yan, di ba? Kasi if you check out my videos, ang dami ko nang na-take na ibang supplements. So, until about 2 weeks ago, naka-receive ako ng email from Puritan's Pride. I was so excited kasi they reached out to me dahil napanood daw nila yung video ko kung saan nga shinare ko yung mga tinitake kong supplements from them. So they reached out for me and I was even more excited kasi it's from Puritan's Pride Philippines. Yes, officially nandito na po ang Puritan's Pride Philippines. Hindi na kayo mahihirapan na maghanap or bumili kasi nandito na sila. Unlike nung time ko a few years back, ang hirap talaga maghanap. So yan, madali na kayong makakabili ng supplements from them. At makakasigurado pa kayo na authentic and may quality yung mabibili nyo kasi straight from them, di ba? Ang swerte-swerte nyo guys kasi ngayon, yun nga, nandito na yung Puritan's Pride sa Philippines. And ayan nga, sa background ko, yan yung website nila. It's puritanspride.ph. And mas swaswertehin pa kayo kasi if you're gonna visit their website and then you decide to make a purchase, sa first purchase nyo, you can have 20% discount if you use my code, which is MarkLesterPP. This code is valid until July 31st, 2016. So, yung first purchase nyo, may 20% discount kayo. That's great, di ba? And ito nga pala, share ko lang kung ano yung mga sinend in nila na supplements. It comes in this paper bag na ang cute-cute, di ba? So, of course, yung favorite ko, vitamin C. Dalawa yung vitamin C na sinend in nila. Merong 500 milligrams. And meron ding 1,000 milligrams. Kagaya ng shinare ko dun sa unang video ko about Puritan's Pride, talagang nakaka-help mag-whiten ng skin ang vitamin C bukod pa sa nabuboost niya ang immune system. And ang ganda niya kasi itong isa, 1 tablet is 1,000 milligrams na. So, dun sa mga gustong higher dosage ang inumin per day, hindi na kayo magdadalawang inom. Meron ng tag 1,000 milligrams. And, syempre, nag-send in din sila ng L-glutathione. Yup. This one has 500 milligrams, 30 capsules. And alam niyo naman kung para saan yung glutathione, di ba? And they also have natural vitamin E with 400 IU. This has 100 soft gels. Guys, ang vitamin E, if you have dark spots, nakaka-help siya to even out your dark spots. So, hindi lang kayo mag-glow kasi nakaka-glow daw ang vitamin E. Kundi, it will also even out your skin. So, if you have problems like that, try nyo yung vitamin E na Puritan Sprite. And they also have Easy Iron na sinentin. I'm not really familiar kung para saan yung iron. Sorry. Pero I know it's good for the body, diba? So anyway, yeah. And the last one is L-carnitine. Yan. So kung katulad ko kayo dati na ang chubby-chubby, diba sobrang obese ako dati, hindi nyo na kailangang mag-black tea araw-araw na 3 to 5 times a day. Uminom lang kayo ng L-carnitine, mabuboost na nito yung metabolism ninyo, and it may help reduce or it may help burn fats. I'm not really sure about that pero I think yun yung ginagawa ng L-carnitine. Yan. This has 500 milligrams din, and 60 capsules na yung laman ng 1 bottle. So yun, ang dami nilang sinend in for me. And, lubos-lubusin na natin yung swerte ninyo, guys. I want you to experience what I have experienced. So, I'm giving away ito. Siyempre, yung iba sa akin, ako gagamit nun. Pero since gusto kong ma-experience nyo what I have experienced, I'm giving away a pair of the glutathione and the C500. 1 lucky winner. So, all you have to do is comment down below kung bakit kayo yung dapat makatanggap nito. So, 1 winner lang So, siguro I'll announce the winner by July 31st din, 2016, which is yung expiration ng aking discount code, yung Mark Lester EP. So, yun nga. Don't forget to use the discount code, which is Mark Lester PP, on your first purchase, and you get 20% discount. And yun nga, for the giveaway, I'll announce the winner. 1 winner lang po by July 31st, 2016. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time. Bye!